Yes, children, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so which chapter we are learning now? Fraction,
Fraction in its
lowest
lowest
term.
term.
Okay, fraction in its lowest term. So what do you mean by lowest term? That numerator and denominator will not be having any common factors other than 1. Okay. If lowest terms means the numerator and denominator will be having the common factor only as the number 1 will be the common factors. No other common factors will be there. If any other common factors is there means you have to divide it again. Okay. You have to divide that again. So if lowest terms, you have to remember there will not be any common factors other than 1. And we have learned how we can reduce the fraction in its lowest term, division method and
HCF.
HCF. And children, HCF, we can use any method, means prime factorization or two numbers dividing factor tree, but you can divide by HCF, or you have to write the all the factors, then from the factors write down the common, and from the common you can use highest common, any method, but using that highest common factor you can divide the given factors. Understood? So, lowest term, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Lowest term means that fraction will be the smallest. You cannot divide it again. You cannot divide that numerator and denominator again. Only the common factor will be 1. Okay, so children, we will do this workbook. Page number. Yes, Adinadar. Children, please take out your book. Some children, they are joining now. Tell me the page number. 9.2 workbook. Okay, Fia, did you get the book? Okay, read question number 1. Fia, read question number 1. Can you tell me the page number?
Yes, 14.
14. All the children, please take page number 1 for 14. Chapter 9.2, fraction in its lowest terms. And these children, HCF, this and all we have learned already in division chapter 6. Now
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
doing chapter 9. HCF of 2 and 4.
2.
Highest common factor is 2. Okay.
2.
So what's the option?
Option C, 2.
Option C. Yes, children. Easy questions that we already learned HCF big numbers in chapter 6 division, and here we had to find out the common factor of 2 and 4. Okay, Nandita, next one. Nandita. Question number 2. Yes.
HCF of 6 and 9 is
Which is the highest common factor of 6 and 9? You can use any method. First, you can write the common factors, or you can do division method. Yes, Nandita? Children, those who have any doubt, you can use your rough book and do that calculations. So question number 1, Fia already told that question number 1. We are doing, okay, those children who joined late now, page number 14, workbook, question number 1, we have already discussed. Fia told that is option C. So if you have any doubt, you can use this method also, that is division. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 2 into 4. So here the highest common factor is 2. That is option C. Now question number 2, Nandita, that question was for you. 6 and 9. Look here. 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. Highest common factor means we will do till here. Yes? So which is the highest common factor, Nandita? Look at the board.
3.
3. Yes, only these 3 we can take. Yes, only these 3. Understood? So what is the
Yes, ma'am.
option?
A.
Option A. So if you have any doubt like the small numbers, we can write the factors of 6, 1 and 6, 2 and 3. That also, this method also we can write. 9. How you can write 1 into 9? 3 into 3. Now look at the common factors. Common factors are 1 and 3. And which is the highest common factor? 3. So those children who have any doubt in division method, you can first write down all the factors of 6, write down all the factors of 9, write down the common factors. From the common factors, you can write highest common factor. Okay, Manu, read question number 3.
Yes, ma'am. The
HCF of
HCF of 11 and 44.
11 and 44, yes. 11, 44. Yes.
Ma'am, 1 and 11.
1 and 11. Only these two are the factors because you know 11 is a prime number. Yes.
Prime number.
Okay. But 4, we can write 2 times which number is 44? 1 into
22.
4. 2 into 22. Is there any other number?
No, ma'am.
What about 11? Check.
11 fours are 44.
11 fours are 44. So 4 times 11. 4
Okay, ma'am.
times 11. So check which is the highest common factor.
11.
11.
11.
See, look at this number. We know 1 and 11. Here we have only 11. So that you have to check how many times 11. Here we can take how many times 11. 11 into 4 is 44. So 11 is the answer. So what is question number 3? Yes, Manu?
Ma'am, option D.
Very good. Option D. 11. Okay. Question number 4. Yes, Isha, can you read question number 4?
The reduced form of 12 by 36 is
Yes,
dash.
12 by 36. So all the children, you have to take your rough book and do this calculation. 12 divided by 36. Wait. Who is saying this now? Look in your examples. Options A, B, C, D and find out which one is the lowest form. Children, if you see here, we can divide by 4. This 4, 3 into 4 is 12. 9 by 4 is 36. Again, this is possible, divide by 3. So, which is the option? Yes, Agnay, which is the answer? Option?
Option D.
Option D.
1 by
1 by 3. So, children, look at here. Option D. Here, that 4 into 3 is 12. 12 is the HCF. So, when you divide by 12 directly, 12 by 36 divided by 12. HCF. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 36 divided by 12 is 3. Now 1 by 3. This is the lowest form. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next one. Who is going to tell me now here? Adinad.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 5.
The reduced form of 1 by 6 is 1 by 2.
Yes, we cannot reduce this 1 by 6 again. Yes. Question number 5. The reduced form of 1 by 6 is 1 by 6 itself. We cannot change. Yes, we cannot change or we cannot reduce this number again. 1 and 6, the common factor is 1 itself. Understood? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
question number 6, page number 14 from the workbook. Yes, Simon. Read question number 6.
HCF of 8 and 24.
8 and check again the question.
20.
20. 8 and 20. Find out the HCF, highest common factor.
4.
4. 2 into 4 is 8. Then here 10. We can divide again by 2. 2 into 2, 4. 5 2s are 10. So here when you find the HCF 2 into 2, that is 4. So which is the option?
Ma'am, option A.
A. Option A. Okay. Question number 7. Amanat. Yes, Amanat. Okay, Gautam. Read question number 7.
The factors of 4 are 1, 2 and
Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and? Huh?
4.
4. Very good. You know the highest factor is the number itself. So factors of 4, it is 1, 2 and
4.
4. 4. Yes. Now 8. Option 8. Ammu. Can you please unmute Ammu?
The reduced form of 9 by 27 is
Okay. We have to reduce 9 by 27. So which is the reduced form?
Okay,
You know which is the highest common factor here?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which is the highest? You can see that is a multiplication table of 9.
by 3.
Yes? We can divide by 9. Yes. Here also we can divide by 9. And what's the answer?
1 by 3.
1 by
1
3.
By 3.
3. Very good.
Ma'am, instead of 9, we can divide by 3 also.
Yes, Simon. When you do 9 by 27, you can divide by 3. Divide by 3, you will get what? 3 by 9.
Do one more time.
So what do you have to do? You have to do one more time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 3 divided by 3 and 9 divided by 3. So what's the option here?
1 by 3.
Now 1 by 3 is the answer. So when you check them, the question, you can see that is 9 by 27. So they are like a multiplication table. In the table of 9, so easily we can reduce by HCF.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next question number 9. Children, you can do HCF of 5 and 25. 5 and 25. Alimsian?
HCF.
Now next one. Brightlin has to tell me the answer. The HCF of 5 and 25. Yes, Brightlin, you can do this. 5 and 25. What is the highest common factor? Looking at the question itself, you can see. Okay, 5 and 25.
5 and 25.
Which is the highest common factor?
Highest. Ma'am, 5.
5, yes. See, if you do this calculation, that will be easy. Otherwise, also looking at the numbers. You know, 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 1 is 5. So, highest common factor is 5. So, if you want to do
5.
25, you can divide by 5, 1, 5. So, here we cannot take here. The highest common is 5, it, number 5. So, question number 9, the answer is 5. Okay, now Madhav, can you read question number 10? Yes.
Express 8 by 12 in its lowest terms.
Yes. Express 8 by 12 in its lowest term. So children, if you want to do like 2 times division or 1 or 2 times division, or you want to do with the highest common factor, which one easy for you children? Highest common factor or dividing 2, 3 times?
Highest common factor.
Dividing. Okay.
Dividing.
Okay, so children, any method. Some children find difficult in finding HCF, they can do division. If you want to do within one step, you can use highest common factor. Okay, so here 8 and 12, I want to start with the, okay Gautam, please unmute and help me to find the HCF.
Ma'am, 4.
So first I will start with the 2 here because prime factorization. 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12. Again,
Divide by
2. 2 into 2,
2.
4, 3
3.
into 6. So children, in HCF, I will not make this into 1 1. Here we will stop. Yes. So what is that? HCF 2 into 2?
4.
So you can divide by 4. 8 by 12. You can write divide by
4.
4. 8 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4. What is 8 divided by 4?
2.
2. And what is 12 divided by 4? That is 3. So the answer is 2 by 3. Any method children you can do. Some children, if they want to do 8 by 12, they will do first divide by 2. Here also divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 12 divided by 2 is 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, this is divisible by 2. Divide 2 by 3. So any method if you use, children, you will get the answer, same answer. Which method you can choose? You can first divide by 2, you will get 4 by 6. That is not in the lowest form. That means you have to do it again. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So divide by highest common factor, HCF. Here HCF is 4. So you can directly divide by 4, you will get 2 by 3. So you can write children, 8 by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. That is enough. This step is enough. 8 by 12, you are finding it into lowest form. The answer is 2 by 3. Question number 11, you will do now alone, all of you. Question number 11. Wait. Daniel, can you read the question? Daniel? Daniel? Which is question number 11? Read question number 11. Are you reading? I'm not able to hear. Anina, can you read, Anina? Unmute. Okay, read.
Express the fraction 24 by 42 in its lowest term.
Yes. So like this, you can see that multiplication table also. You can see, okay, 24 and 42 is in which multiplication. That also we can do, like which number we can divide. Okay, can you say the answer, children? Can you say the answer? Which one you got the answer? 24 divided by 42.
4 by
4
7.
by 7. Very good. 4 by 7.
4 by
Which is the
7.
highest common factor?
6.
6. So divide by 6, you can directly write the answer. Question number 11. 24 divided by 42. When you divide by 6, you will get 4. 4 into 6 is 24. 7 times 6 is 42.
4 by 7.
Now check 4 and 7. Is there any other common factors?
No, ma'am.
No. Which is the common factor we have? Only 1.
1.
1. So always when you write the lowest form, children, please check whether is there any number we can divide with the numerator or denominator together. So if they are not, if we cannot divide, means that fraction is in the lowest form. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now question number 12, children, you have to write the common factors of 12 and 48. So for that, you have to write the factors first. All the children has to write the factors of 12 and 48. Then from that, you have to write the common factors. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
The question is, you have to write the common factors. To find the common factors, you should know what are the factors. So here
Can I tell you?
12, 40. Yes, Agnai, tell me the factors of 12. 1 and 12.
1 into 12.
2 and
2 and 6.
6. Then we have one more, 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Okay. What about 48? 1 and 48?
2 and 21.
2 and
20.
20? 4. 2 and 24. Okay. Is there any 3 and
3 and 16.
16? And 4?
4, 12.
4 and 12.
4 and 12. Okay. Then
6 and 8.
And 8.
6 and 8. Then finished? Okay. So all the children, you have to see which are the common factors. Now from here, we have to write the common factors. Here, 1.
3.
Okay. Then which is the next common factor?
2.
Then
3.
3.
4.
4. Then
6.
1. Yes, 6.
6.
1, 2, 3. Then we have
4.
4,
6.
12.
12.
12. Here also we have 12. Here also we have 12. So the common factors only this much. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. How many common factors are there?
6. 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And no need to write, but you can write, children, which is the highest common factor?
12.
12. So no need to write the highest one. I just ask you to write.
Okay, ma'am.
I think till 1:30, no? It's till 1:30.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can read one question, Anthony.
Now 10 more minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Reduce the given fraction
to their lowest term using HCF.
HCF. So I told you, no, children, you have to find the HCF here. Any method, no problem. If you want to write the common factors, from the common factors, find the highest common or divide like prime numbers. Okay?
We can divide or can use HCF.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you write in the board which are the steps which we
Yes, we are going to. Yes, yes. We are writing now.
Ma'am, we should write the calculation how we get the HCF that and all we should write.
HCF, you can write the common factors and from that, yes, we will write.
I am asking how to find when we find the HCF that calculations and all we should write.
Yes, wait. Yes, we are writing. First, we are writing children factors of 65. Which is the question? Question number A, 65 and 91. Children, in your book that we are using this method, factors. So we can write first this factors of 65.
Ma'am, like this we should write in the.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
After that, you can check whether you are getting this HCF using division, dividing 65 and 91 together. So you have to write the factors of 65. Then you have to write factors of 91. Then from here, you have to write the common factors.
Ma'am,
Then you have to find the
Ma'am, we can
HCF.
use prime factorization method.
Now one question you can do this one. Children,
Ma'am, prime factorization
prime
method.
factorization method also you can use. Now one question do like this because this is the method given in your book.
Ma'am.
And we do not have enough space.
No even space. Only 2 questions, no? How many lines are there?
Yes, ma'am. When we write factors of 65, factors of 91, and write common factors.
You can divide 2 sides. One side and another A for half of the page, that space you can use for A and another half for B. Divide using a line. John, can you tell me the factors of 65? John? Factors.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you say the answer of question number 8?
8. Which question?
1 by 3.
1 by 3. 1 by 3.
Question number.
Rohit, please unmute.
What, ma'am?
Yes, look at the board and tell me the factors of 65. 1 and 65. That is for sure we have to write. Now this is not even number, so 2 we cannot take. Now check whether we can divide by 3. When you do 6 plus 5, that is 11. That is not possible. Now tell me one more factor is there. Factors of 65. 1 into 65. Then 5. Last digit is 5.
5 into 13.
5 into 13. Yes, 5 times 13. So these are the factors of 65. And what are the factors of 91?
1, 7,
1
13.
and 91. Then
7,
13.
7, 13.
7 and 13. Very good. 7 and 13. Now we can write the common factors. What are the common factors here?
13.
Then which is the next one?
1 and 13.
1 and 13.
1 and 13. From here, which is the highest common factor?
13.
13. Now all the children, please divide the fraction by HCF
60.
by 13.
5 divided by 13 and 90. 1
So
divided by
divide
13.
5 by 7.
divide.
Ma'am, 5 by 7.
Ma'am, we should write this calculation in the book.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am, 5 by 7.
yes.
5 by
You
7.
can see 5 into 13. So 5. Here 7 into 13. So 7. So the lowest form of this fraction is 5 by 7. 5 by 7. So children, if you don't want this writing the common factors, then finding the HCF, you can use prime factorization method.
Can I
Ma'am,
do
can
second one
you
prime
Do
factorization
question
method?
number B as homework.
Can you share the screen?
Can you share the
Children,
screen?
yes, write it fast. The time is going to finish.
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the homework?
B. Question number 13, B.
Ma'am, can we do BS prime factorization method?
Yes, yes. But
Thank
you
you,
have to divide by HCF.
Okay.
Then how to find the in the prime factorization method? That and all we should write in the workbook.
No need. Find the HCF and write.
Just find the HCF and do the calculation like
Yes, yes.
this number divided by
Use then children, what you have to do? Divide numerator and denominator by HCF. Now children, the time is up. I will send the notes. And question number 13B, you have to do as homework. Okay? Okay, children. Question number 13B, you can do as homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.